Hi everyone, in this video I will going to solve this nested square problem. The equation we have root of 3 of root of 3 of root of 3 is equals to 27 to the power of x. Here we need to find out the value of x. So let's get started the solution. In the first step I will going to remove that root. So for that I will going to raise square both the side. Root of 3 of root of 3 of root of 3 whole to the power of 2 is equals to 27 to the power of x and whole to the power of 2. Here this root get cancelled. So the next expression we'll get here 3 root of 3 is equals to, now here we're going to apply the exponential rule, that is a to the power of m and whole to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m times n, where the powers are going to be multiplied. 27 to the power of 2x. Now again, I want to remove that second root. So for that, I will going to raise again square both the side. 3 root of 3 whole to the power of 2 is equals to 27 to the power. Now I'm going to write this equation in this way. 3 to the power of 2 times root of 3 of root of 3 and whole to the power of 2 is equals to, again the powers are going to multiply, 27 to the power of 4x. Now this will be equals to 3 to the power of 2 is equals to 9, and here this and this is going to be cancelling out. So the remaining expression here we get, that is 3 root of 3 is equals to 27 to the power of 4x. Now here I'm going to multiply this 9 with this 3. So the next expression we'll get here, 9 3 times give us 27 root of 3 is equals to 27 to the power of 4x. Now here this 27 is multiplying, so it will going to be divide both the side. Here this and this is going to be cancelling out. So the next expression we'll get here, root of 3 is equals to, now here we have the 1 power. So now I'm going to use here the exponential rule, that is a to the power of m over a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m minus n. So here we have the same basis. We can take that power up. 27 to the power of 4x minus 1. Now next, I want to remove this root. So for that, I'm going to raise square both the side. Root of 3 whole to the power of 2 is equals to 27 to the power of 4x minus 1 and whole to the power of 2. Here this square, this root get cancelled. So the next expression we'll get here, that is 3 is equals to 27 to the power of, now this will going to be multiplied, so it will equals to 2 4 times give us 8x minus 2. Here this 3 is equals to 27 is equals to 3 to the power of 3 and whole to the power of 8x minus 2. Now next I'm going to multiply this power with this outer power. So this equation turns to 3 is equals to 3 to the power of 3 8 times give us 24 x minus 3 2 times give us 6. Now here we have the same basis, so we can equate the power. Here we have the 1 power. So this will turn to 1 is equals to 24 x minus 6. Now next I'm going to take this negative 6 to the left hand side. 24x is equals to 1 plus 6. And this will be equals to 24x is equals to 7. Now here this 24 is multiplying, so it will going to be divide both the side. This and this going to be cancelling out. Value of x here we find out that is 7 over 24. So this is the final answer. Now I'm going to verify my answer. Now here I'm going to plug in the x value, that is 7 over 24. Root of 3 of root of 3 of root of 3 is equals to 27 to the power of 7 over 24. Now here I'm going to apply the radical rule, that is n root of a can be written as a to the power of 1 over n, and root is always equals to raised to the power of 1 over 2. So here we have the 1 root with this 3, and this 3 we have the 2 root, and this we have the 3 roots. I'm going to write first separately. Root of 3 times root of 3 times root of 3 is equals to 27 to the power of 7 over 24. Now here we're going to apply this rule. So the next expression we'll get to the power of 1 over 2 times 3 to the power of 1 over 2 and whole to the power of 1 over 2 times 3 to the power of 1 over 2 and whole to the power of 1 over 2 and again whole to the power of 1 over 2 is equals to 27 to the power of 7 over 24. Now, according to the exponential rule, that is a to the power of m and whole to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m times n. So here the powers are going to be multiply. This expression turns to 3 to the power of 1 over 2 times 3 to the power of 1 over 4 times 3 to the power of 1 over 2, 2 times 4, 2 times 8 is equals to 27 to the power of 7 over 24. Now here we have the same basis, so we can add up the power according to the exponential rule, that is a to the power of m times a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m plus n. So this I'm going to write 3 to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 is equals to this I'm going to write in the form of power 3 to the power of 3 and whole to the power of 7 over 24. Now here we're going to take LCM here and this going to be reduced to 8. To get 3 to the power of 8 is the LCM, and 2 4 times and 4 1 times. 4 2 times and 2 1 time is 2 plus 8 1 times and 1 1 time is equals to 3 to the power of 7 over 8 is remaining. 3 to the power of here, this will be equals to 7 over 8 is equals to 3 to the power of 7 over 8. So here left hand side equal to the right hand side. So the value of x, that is 7 over 24, is absolutely correct. Thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do hit the like button and please support my channel by subscribing it.